Hopefully this video looks pretty good. I think it's going to be a little blurry. It's shot on the front of my Z Fold. It's pretty much webcam quality, but you know, the front camera's a lot better, but I can't see if I'm in the video. But I picked up something that we're going to be setting up in future videos. This PetSafe wireless, is it? Thing. Now I picked this up online. I got this at a discount because you can get a lot of stuff on discounts. Now I could have went to the store, paid pretty much $300 for this Tractor Supply. I figured I'd look on eBay, you know, Amazon, places like that. Well, I found a good deal on one on eBay, new, sealed in the box. I just was curious of how old it was when I got it, and if you look at the copy thing, 2019, it's 21, 2, 3. It's 3. What? 20. It's 4 years old. So the batteries in it might not be the stoutest. They shouldn't, you know, be used. It's just, I guess, new old stock, and you know, you get it at a discount. Instead of 300, I got this for like 200, and then you know they shipped it, and then eBay fees. So he's probably made 150 off this after shipping and fees, because it had free shipping on it, I do believe. Don't hold me to it. I can't remember exactly what I gave for it. It's been about a week. It took about a week for it to come in. So it says it's new, sealed. It definitely is. These looks like a good box. I don't know how to open it. Looks like they just glued together. So let me just what is that? Just tear this box up. Got it. And I was right. See the glue? Ah, pretty smart. Don't need tape with glue, do you? But the bad thing about gluing boxes and stuff, like old Pokemon card boxes, the glue over time loses its stickiness, and it looks like the box been opened when it just come unglued. I pulled my shiny Charizard out of a box like that nobody wanted. It was open. Everybody was passing it up. I bought it, and shiny Charizard was in it. You know, people thought somebody done went through the cards, but it's just old stock that's got hot, and the glue come undone and opened it. So this is definitely new in the box. Here it is. And what's inside, if you think about buying one of these, they shouldn't have changed, by the way. On top, you got this. We'll go through right here in a minute. Okay. It's got a... Let me know if your box does this. Heavy, kind of like electronic, been on fire smell. Just that chemical smell, you know. We got the flags. They knew. So I'm about pretty positive this ain't never been into, but we'll look it over to make sure, because they can glue it back down. Okay. Yes, it looks okay. We got a manual. We got the machine itself. It smells worse than my Xbox Series S did. Okay. And then we got another box to ship stuff in case you didn't know, I do sell on eBay. That's a closet full of inventory over there. Check my store out in the description below. Yeah, it just smells. Okay, this unit does got oil fingerprints all over the top of it. I guess that's assembly, I guess. People just throw them together when they make them. The screws do not look like they've been into. It's got a middle screw in the middle where that sticker is right there. Can you peel it off without damaging it? Okay, I don't think there's an issue with it. It looks like it's totally just factory. It was made on the 19th. It's got a little stamp here. 12. It was made the 1st, the 9th, the 12th month. So it's actually it's basically a 2000 model. So it's 3 years old. So this smells. Everything looks good. So yeah. Accessories. We should have a power plug. We should have a dog collar. We should have maybe a battery. Okay, this is definitely brand new. It's got assembly oil all over it. It's got that same smell to it. Okay, put that down now. We got the tester and 2 extra little connectors that, you know, for long dogs, you know, with long fur. And we got the power cord here. Looks brand new to me, I guess. Don't look used. Got them fingerprint smudges all over this too. It's like assembly oil they're using. Now they say do not leave this out in the cold. Now I have an idea of why. I don't know. You can tell me if I'm smart or not, or if you agree with me. But usually these electronics is got corrosion resistant, like a coating over the board. Like some cars do it, GM and stuff on the ECU under the engine bay, and some places that they know gonna get moisture, they put that coating over all the capacitors and everything like that, and you usually got to scrape it over the board. But I say this is just a bare board to keep costs down. So this is an inside unit or a garage or something like that. Okay, let's double check we got everything. Let's see, what does it tell us that come in the box? So far I'm happy with it. Okay, in addition you will need, okay, we need a few tools that say, oh, about to put my eye out. There you go. That was close. What comes in the box? Okay, flags, the thing, and the unit. We get a transmitter with power adapter. Check. We seat collar for neck sizes. Yup, 6 to 28 inches. We got that. Product manual. Yes. 6-volt lithium PetSafe battery. That must be in it. Here it is. 50 trainer flags, a test right tool, and a year warranty. Well, does it count from a year from when I opened it? I think that warranty expired. So, all but the smell, it seems pretty quality. So I'm going to go and set this up in another video. It's snowing actually right now. It's October 31st. If you're watching this, I don't know when it will be uploaded, but it's snowing in Kentucky. Go figure, Kentucky weather. I'm going to set this up in the next few days. Then we will go over the training process. I want to train him so you have a bigger play area and stuff. And I just don't want to put the dog and let it figure it out on its own. I want to actually train him. I figured it'd be a good series of videos of how to do that. So get subscribed for that. If you got one of these, any opinions on the best way to train the dog, any other opinions of where to set this up at, how to set it up, comment below. Not only will it help me, because I ain't never done this before, it will help other people that finds this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Check the eBay store out. I know you're eyeballing the items in the background. And thanks for the support. I appreciate it.